A very good morning to all. Honorable Vice Chancellor Jayraj sir, respected professors, Professor Kalyan Chakrabarti, Professor Jay Kumar, Dr. Manjula, Dr. Prasad, Dr. Raji Pilakar, Dr. Anil Kumar, Dr. Sini, Dr. Mubina, and all my professors attending this program, faculties, students, and my dear friends. It's a very great moment for me to welcome you all to this national webinar on India, Mathematics and Ramanujan, organized by the Department of Mathematics, University of Calicut. This webinar is arranged as part of the National Mathematics Day celebrations 2020. It is celebrated every year in December 22nd to recognize and celebrate the works of Srinivasa Ramanujan. And he is a very well-known Indian mathematical genius who was born on 22nd December 1887. Fighting with the non-fair circumstances, in his short life, he has worked on nearly 4,000 results, most of which are original and highly conventional results like Ramanujan primes and many other. We have a talk on Ramanujan primes by Professor Shankar Laishram from ISI Delhi. Ramanujan's contributions to the theory of numbers include partition functions, Riemann series, elliptic integrals, hypergeometric divergence series, continuous fractions, etc. Anyway, I am not going to the such details. It was in 2012, the then Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh declared December 22nd as the National Mathematics Day. Now, our resource persons include Professor Kalyan Chakrabarti, the present director of KSOM. He is a professor at HRI Allahabad. And Professor Anandavarthanan, he is the award winner of the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize for the year 2020. Professor Shanta Laishram from ISI Delhi, Professor K. Srinivas from IMSC Chennai. I take this opportunity to express my gratitude to Professor Kalyan Chakrabarti for for giving such a very eminent group of people to our program. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And I take this opportunity to express my gratitude to our Honorable Vice Chancellor and the University for giving all the support and care and blessings by his presence, especially that he is showing to us, especially to our department. And I take this opportunity to thank you, sir. And a big thanks to Dr. Sini for organizing this online platform, and Dr. Bijumon for arranging all the live streaming in YouTube channels. And I welcome Professor Jayraj sir for inaugurating this function. A warm welcome to you, sir, on behalf of all participants and the department. Welcome, sir. I welcome all resource persons, Professor Kalyan Chakrabarti and Srinivas, Professor Anandavarthanan, Professor Shanta Laishram, and Professor K. Jaykumar. He has joined us in with all his inconvenience. Anyway, he joined with us. I welcome you, sir, also. And Dr. Manjula K. She will join soon for felicitation, and I welcome you to this program. And I express my gratitude to all my colleagues and the research scholars here for all the support and the help they are doing for the organization of this conference, this seminar. And I welcome all the participants. I think all professors and all non-academicians and academicians join for this program, and all my students, all dear friends, a warm welcome to the national webinar on India Mathematics and Srinivasa Ramanujan. Okay, welcome you all again, once again. Thank you and have a nice day. I am sure that this seminar you will enjoy this very much and will utilize it for your for strengthening your works too. So have a nice seminar, nice webinar, nice day. Welcome you all. Thank you. So I invite Professor Kalyan Chakravarti for presiding over this function. Thank you, sir.
So, I mean, already Dr. Preeti has said everything. So, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Jayaraj, University of Calicut, respected Dr. Preeti K, Head of the Department of Mathematics, University of Calicut, and all the dignitaries, all the colleagues, friends, and participants. It's a wonderful opportunity, I think, and I congratulate Dr. Preeti and the department to really arrange in this kind of a situation such a nice 3 days of webinars, and we are lucky to have Professor Shanta Laishram, Professor Anandavardhan, and Professor K. Srinivas with us. We'll be spending a sufficient amount of time. So I'm sure that this will help the participants, as I can see a large number of participants are there, to really go ahead learning some advanced mathematics influenced by Srinivasa Ramanujan. And I can assure Dr. Preeti and in front of our Vice Chancellor, University of Calicut, that this is just the beginning. We have already started communicating with each other. And KSOM and University of Calicut Mathematics Department will be certainly working more closely for more such programs and other initiatives. And it's heartening to see Professor Jayaraj amidst his very busy schedule to be here with us. And I can see the interest that he has in the department's growth and all. So thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So I request Professor Jayaraj now to formally inaugurate this 3 days seminar.
Thank you, Professor Kalyan Chakravarti. Good morning to all. A warm welcome to all to the national webinar, which is being celebrated as a part of the Ramanujan or Mathematics Day. Though we are a little late, I congratulate all the organizers for arranging such a wonderful event. Dr. Preeti Kuttipallikal, Head of the Department, Professor Kalyan Chakravarti, Director of KSOM, President of the function, Head of the Department of Statistics, Professor Jayakumar, Srimati Manjula, Dr. Prasad, Dr. Sini, the resource persons, Professor Anandavardhan, Professor Shanta Laishram, and Professor K. Srinivas, dear participants and friends. As to a community who are all mathematicians, I don't have to explain or don't have to elaborate on the contributions of Srinivasa Ramanujan. And in his honor, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh on February 26, 2012, declared December 22 as the National Mathematics Day to mark the mathematician's birth anniversary. When we remember Ramanujan, we have to also remember the British mathematician G.H. Hardy, known his achievements in the number theory and mathematical analysis. But he is perhaps even better known for his adoption and mentoring of the self-taught mathematical genius Srinivasa Ramanujan. Most of you may be a mentor yourself, so you should be aware of the importance of a mentor. At the same time, you can see that how Ramanujan came to the world scenario because of this mentor. So I think on this day, we should also think about collaborating each other, mentoring each other. So we should, since Professor Kalyan Chakravarti is here, I put forward a proposal that the institutions in and around Kozhikode, we can have to join hands and we have to make a consortium so that we can mentor our students and to get more achievements. We have the KSOM, also we have in NIT Calicut, we have TGBRI, we have the Malayalam University. So we should share our ideas and we should celebrate this day as a Mentors Day, and all of us together should mentor our students to achieve more. I don't have to explain the importance of mathematics. Maths is so important because it is such a huge part of our daily life. Many people do not realize how much math they tend to encounter on a daily basis. And for researchers and educators, parents, social scientists, politicians, and other stakeholders have depicted mathematics as a useful and important subject, which must be mastered. Myself as a physicist, and all physicists love mathematics because mathematics is a tool to explain physics, and there is no need to explain the importance of mathematics to a scientific community. But what we have to stress is the stakeholders other than higher education. We have to go the importance of the mathematics to school children. Though most of the children may not like mathematics, maybe they dislike it. One of the reasons may be as the students, they may be having very difficulty in understanding the concepts which are abstract and can be hard to master. So we as a teaching community as well as mathematicians, we should be able to explain the concepts to the children in a better way, and we should make them love mathematics. So that is one of the important aspects which we have to take forward. As we are discussing about the collaborations and so on, we should also remember that the Kerala School of Astronomy and Mathematics, which had a good fame in the pre-era, now we can see that the contributions of Parameshwara or Nilakanta Somayaji, and we have the Madhava Girgari series, which were all in way back developed in 14th and 16th centuries. But this has during the past century, we have lost our upper hand on this all these topics. If we had continued the vigor that we had in those days, we could have achieved much more. So no need to explain and the importance of mathematics. We should ourselves dedicate to educate all the public as well as the children to love them the mathematics. In that way, the higher education as well as the scientific education in Kerala will flourish more. With these words, with all your permission, I declare the national webinar on India, mathematics and Ramanujan declared open. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So next I invite Professor Jay Kumar K, Head of the Department of Statistics, for felicitation. Sir.
Our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Jairaj Sir, President of the function and Director of KSOM, Professor Kalyan Chakravarti, Dr. P.D. Kuttiplakal, Head of the Department of Mathematics, and Ms. Manjula K, Head of the Department of Computer Science, and Dr. Prasad T, Assistant Professor, other fellow colleagues in the Department of Mathematics, Professor Anil Kumar, Professor Rajiv Pilakat, Dr. Sini, and other distinguished participants and the speakers, Professor Kalyan Chakravarti, Professor Anandavardhan, Professor Shanda Lishram, Professor K. Srinivas. So I am happy to learn that the Department of Mathematics is organizing in the national webinar as part of the National Mathematics Day celebrations, and it is on the coming 3 days, that is today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. And with in the talk, there are eminent personalities working in different fields of mathematics. So as our Honorable Vice Chancellor told, I think that this may be a starting point to have a joint collaboration with other institutes neighboring in Calicut, and also this seminar will in fact be the nutshell of the working on the Ramanujan's contributions in the fields of research in the Department of Mathematics. So with these few words, I first congratulate the Department of Mathematics for taking this initiative, and I wish a very good success. Wish you all a very good success. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Jaykumar sir, for your inspiring words. And he has joined on the to Trivandrum. So thank you so much, sir, for taking this option. So next I invite Manjula teacher for felicitation. She is the head of the Department of Computer Science. Teacher, please.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor M.K. Jairaj, respected President of this function, Professor Kalyan Chakravarti, Director KSOM, Dr. Preeti, Head Department of Mathematics, Dr. Jayagumar, Head Department of Statistics, Dr. Prasad, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, esteemed guests for this session, faculty members, students, and dear participants. Hearty greetings from Department of Computer Science. It's my pleasure to be part of this inaugural program on behalf of Department of Computer Science. On this occasion of the 3-day national seminar, I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate Department of Mathematics for organizing this seminar on India, mathematics, and Ramanujan by inviting eminent speakers from premier institutes. Mathematics being an intrinsic component of science and the power behind all intellectual tools, the domains like computer science have no existence at all without mathematics. I hope this seminar will be beneficial to all of us. And on behalf of Department of Computer Science, I extend all best wishes for the success of this event. Thank you.
Thank you, Manjula teacher. Thank you for your words. And next I invite Dr. Prasad T for vote of thanks.
Honorable Vice Chancellor of our university, Professor Jairaj, respected Professor Kalyan Chakravarti, Director of Kerala School of Mathematics, Professor Preeti Kuttapirikal, Professor Jayagumar, Professor Manjula, Professor Anandavardhanan, Professor Shanda Lishram, and Professor Srinivas, and all the participants of this program. A very good morning to one and all of you. I feel honored to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of myself, Department of Mathematics, and University of Calicut. First, I express my sincere thanks to Professor Jairaj sir for his constant support and encouragement for all our programs and his valuable suggestions in his speech of inauguration. I thank you, sir, for your kind support and help. Thank you. I express my sincere gratitude to Professor Kalyan Chakravarti for his suggestions and advice regarding this program, and his and we are expecting your guidance in the future programs also, sir. Very, very thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I extend my gratitude to our pillars of this program, our resource persons, Professor Srinivas in the Institute of Mathematical Science, Professor Ananda Vardhanan, Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, and Professor Chanda Laish from ISI Delhi. For your, we are very grateful for your acceptance of our invitation and your very valuable time and consideration. We are very much grateful to you, sir. And I extend our thanks to Professor Jayagumar, sir, and Professor Manjula ma'am for your presence and blessing. I extend my sincere thanks to all faculty members of the department. And with a deep sense of gratitude and appreciation, I thank our beloved HOD, Professor Preeti Kuttipurakal, for hard work behind this conference, and our senior professors, Professor Anil Kumar sir, Professor Sinimam, Professor Raji, and Professor Mubina. And I thank one and all of you for your hard work behind this conference. And finally, I thank all the participants and all the professors of other departments and other universities, and research scholars, postdocs, and students, and the parents of the students who provide necessary facilities like internet and computer laptop to the students. I thank you, one and all of you. Thank you very much. And once again, I thank you, one and all of you. Have a great day of mathematics. India, mathematics, and Ramanujan. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Prasad. Sir, as Kalyan sir said, it is a nice beginning for the collaboration of the department and KSOM. Sir. Now our Srinivas sir has joined. Yes.
Is it Srinivas is there?
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Hello, sir. Srinivas, sir.
Yeah, maybe it's.
Yes. Okay, sir. So with all your permission, shall we wind up this inaugural function and
Thank you so much.
we directly go to the first academic session?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, thank you so much
Thank you.
for your
Thank you.
continuous support, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.